All right, this is Colin, and really quickly I'm going to show you how to change an image file name and the image title in WordPress to add keywords to it and show you the results that you can get. It's an extra SEO trick, search engine optimization trick, that a lot of people are using, and I'll show you exactly how to do that so you're not too confused about it. Before you upload an image to your website or a blog post, you want to make sure that it's keyword optimized. So typically we would add an image inside a post or a page. Let's say we're going to add new post. So this is where you would write your new post for a blog post, or this is the way the page is set up also in WordPress. So you can write some content. And then of course you can add media, which you can select and upload a file from your computer or your media library. So what we want to do is we want to upload a file from our computer. Obviously, we just have an image stored on our desktop somewhere or in a folder where we can find it. And we want to upload a picture to the media library. But here's what I want you to do before you ever upload a picture. I want you to change the file name of the JPEG. Let me explain how that is. Let's go look at a typical image on your computer. So I have one right here. And you can see that, let's take a look at this. This is the image I want to upload. It's a cute little sunset. And I like that, and it'd be a nice picture for a blog post. But the problem is that you can see the name of this is images OFWJTE. I don't know what all that is, but most images have just a string of numbers or just kind of nonsensical words and things like that in the image file. So this file is actually named that .jpeg. Is what it is. So what we really want to do here is we want to change the file name of this. And it's very simple. All you do is put your mouse over the file wherever it is. It could be in a folder, it can be on your desktop, wherever it is that you store them, and just right click and click rename. And I want to put in copywriting tips. You can keep it as one word, you can put a dash, it doesn't really matter. Copywriting tips, there we go. Now I'm going to upload this to my post. Upload the file, select, and now it's got keywords in it that the search engines can find in the source code, and that's what we really like about that. So when we look at this, that file name is going to be in the source code. The other thing, after we've inserted it into the post, we can go back in, and you can see there it is. There it is in our post. Okay, let's go back to our media library and make one more change to it. So we go back to media library. And you can just click to edit this. There it is. There's a list of all your pictures. Just click edit. And just doubly make sure that it should automatically be here, the keywords in this title right here. But if it's not, you can just change that to and change the title and put keywords in it. You can even put in the alt text copywriting, if I can spell it, dash tips, okay, in the alt text too. So that's an extra place you can put it. That's not completely necessary, but the title is extremely important. Then all you simply have to do is click update, and there it is. So we'll have that in here so that anytime you see a blog post or an image somewhere, you can actually test and see what the file name is. Let's take a look at now what this would be. Let's look at another post that I actually have already published. So we can go back to my site here, and we'll look at a blog post. And we can look at all the posts here. And I want to point out one that I had made before. This one about video scripts. Cool video scripting ideas. Okay, that's my title, all right? So, but I have this photo right here that I took, and it's in the blog post. But look at this. If I right-click and save picture as, I'm able to see the keywords in the file. So this image name is actually video scripting ideas.jpg. Okay, so I did it right here, and I have my keywords embedded. And typically you can't see this, your reader can't see it, but Google can. Now let's go over and see why this is important to SEO optimize an image. Let's go to Google search and let's put in video scripting ideas, which is a keyword that I want to attract because I am a consultant for writing video scripts. As a copywriter, yes, I would do that. So we want to, that's a keyword of mine. Let's search this. And you'll notice on the very first page, there's my picture from my blog. It says Colin Martin Consulting. They click on this, it goes right to my website. So this is, and look again, that's another one. I guess that's from something else. I don't even know what that is, but I'm on here twice on the very first page of Google for the word video scripting ideas, which is a fairly high search result. If we look at the search results in general, you'll see that my site isn't on the regular search. So I'm not placing yet this particular blog post for video scripting ideas, but I am placing on the first page from images. So that gives me an extra boost here. So if I'm not on the first page on the web results, I am on the first page of Google search results, which are extremely popular in terms of people searching for it, certain keywords. So that's exactly why you want to do this and how you can optimize your blog post. So let's do that. You can even, you don't need to change all the files on all your blog posts, but you start doing it from now on, you'll have added search engine positioning. And I do that with every one of my pictures.